Okay, next comes to the next point, that is close packing in 3 dimension. ত্ৰিমাত্ৰীয় দিশত সংকুলনৰ গঠন ঠিক আছে close packing in 3 dimension. Now this is the actual close packed structure in solid because all solids are 3 dimensional in nature. To understand the structure of arrangement of particle in 3 dimensional close packing, we take an example. তোমালে ফলৰ দোকানত সবে সকলোৱে গৈছা না ফলৰ দোকানত কেনেকৈ ফল বিলাক সজাই থোৱা হয় প্ৰথমতে এখন এনেকুৱা লেয়াৰ থাকিব টেবুল বা জি বুলে লোৱা তাৰ ওপৰত প্ৰথমতে ফল বিলাক এনেকৈ সজাই লয় দেখিছা নে exactly a layer has been formed in any one of this form. Above this second layer is placed, above this next layer is placed in that form which has been stacked in a beautiful form, isn't it? So in the same way in solid state also in closed packed structure the particles are arranged in a stacked form in that way, isn't it? Now to understand the closed packed structure in 3 dimension we have to take the help of closed packed structure in 2 dimension. Now there are 2 types of 2 dimensional closed packed structure. What are these? First we'll start from the first part, that is from 2D square closed packing. Square closed packing. You have seen just now about the 2 dimensional square closed packing. Imato dekha paisa tomale 2 dimensional square closed packing. Now the 2 dimensional square closed pack layer is something like this, where rows are placed to form a layer. বুজি পাইছা নে ৰো বিলাক এনেকে কৰি প্লে এটা লেয়াৰ এটা ফৰ্ম হয় স্তৰ এটা গঠন কৰে ইয়াক যদি if we put this part in a horizontal plane এখন যদি horizontal plane আমি ৰাখো how it look like, you just look at this এনেকুৱা দেখি দেখিছা নে the particles are placed in a horizontal plane. Now it appeared something like this, isn't it? If I put this in this horizontal plane, this is the first layer of the particle. Now we try to put the second layer above this layer. How? We put the second layer exactly above the first layer. Remember, these particles are not arranged in this wider form, isn't it? Not so spacious. They are exactly touching each other, but for our convenience we are showing in this wider form. So this is the next layer. How this next layer is being placed? How this next layer is being placed exactly above each particle. So the next layer is placed so that the particle of the first layer and the second layer are exactly aligned to each other. ঠিক আছে এটা লাইনত যাতে থাকি যায়. So if we consider to be layer A, this A layer to সমস্ত layer to A বুলি আগৰবাৰ এটা এটা ৰোক A বুলি এবাৰ গোটেই লেয়াৰটোক আমি A বুলি ধৰি লৈছো গম পাইছানে গোটেই স্তৰটোক আমি A বুলি ধৰিছো then the next layer is exactly duplicating the first layer, isn't it? So the next layer is again layer A, isn't it? So the particles are placed in A pattern, isn't it? A pattern, isn't it? Particles are placed in A pattern. Now if these particles are placed in A pattern, then we'll take a small part of this layer with 4 particles which has a square structure as it has been said. Now above this the next layer also will take 4 particles which are exactly above these particles. Here also it will form a square. Now we will connect this. What has been observed? What has been observed? It has been observed a cubic type arrangement, and this is the unit cell of this type of closed packed structure. What is this unit cell? This is a unit cell in which particles are at the corner only, isn't it? Now if we have a cubic unit cell in which particles are found only at the corner, যেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ঘনাকাৰ আকৃতিত আমি যদি কণিকাবিলাক অকল কৰ্ণাৰত পাওঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি কি বুলি কৈছিলো তো কৈছিলো সৰল ঘনক. It is the primitive cubic unit cell, isn't it? Primitive cubic unit cell. So this type of arrangement has got primitive cubic unit cell in which the particles are arranged in a closed packed structure in this form. in a AAA pattern, which is commonly called as simple cubic lattice. So this first type of arrangement is simple cubic lattice, and simple cubic lattice is the first two-dimensional square closed peg structure. All right. Okay. Come to the next. Next come to the number 2, second type. What is the second type of arrangement? What we have seen from 2D hexagonal close packing. Because in two-dimensional we have seen there are two types of close packing. One is square close packing, other is the hexagonal close packing. So this is the hexagonal close packing, this is the square close packing. Now in hexagonal close packing, if you look at this, this is a hexagonal. Again we will try to put this in a particular horizontal plane. দেখিছেনে এনেকৈ আমি এটা horizontal plane particle বিলাক সজাই লওঁ. All right, in whatever way. Now this time also we will try to put the second layer above this first layer, but in a different form, not exactly above. If I put the second layer above this first layer at the depression, ঠিক মাঝে মাঝে যদি আমি put কৰি যাওঁ, then we will find the particles something like this, isn't it? এনেকুৱাকৈ আমি particle বিলাক পাম, where it look like something in this form, isn't it? Now both this layer, this is the first layer, which we can take it as a layer A, is not aligned with the second layer. Layer A to second layer logot alignment tot nai. ठीक है ने? They are aligned differently, not just like this. So they are aligned differently. So we can consider to be layer B. So in two-dimensional close pack layer, in two-dimensional hexagonal close packing, we have seen if the layers are being placed, the first layer is not aligned with the second layer. Now when these two layers are placed, then we will find some void. What are these voids? Voids are some space which is vacant. Ei je particle bilakor majot jibila khali jaga thake, the vacant space between this closed pack structure is called as the void. Now here you will find there are two types of void. There are certain voids are called as T type. It is a T type void. This is a T type void. This T type void. This is a T type void, and I will find this is a T type void. And there are certain voids which are called as O type void. O type void. So we will have two types of void in this crystal structure. So between the two layer A and B, two types of void are formed. Two types of void are found. First is T type of void. Now we will look at it first, T types of void. Now if we put T types of void, if you take a T types of void, how it look like? First you see, these are the three particles. Any three particles, you take any three particles. Above this is the void which is covered by the second. So in T type of void, what we have seen, this is a T type of void in which it is a void for the pink color sphere covered by the green color sphere. That means a void which is covered by one layer but void in the second layer. Eta layer jodi void hoy, next layer to cover hoy. That is called as the tetrahedral void. This is called as the tetrahedral. That first type of void is tetrahedral void. Tetrahedral void. And is the next layer. In the next case, what is the next type of void? You will find that there is a void, and these are three particles. You will find these are the three particles. This is one void which is neither covered by both the layer. Is not covered by both the layer. It is a void actually in both the. So it is a triangular void. They are pointing opposite to each other. Have you seen this? These are two triangular void which are pointing opposite to each other. Now if we draw it in this form, just look at this. এইখন এখন triangle, triangular void, এইখন এখন triangular plane. These two triangular plane. Now there are 3 particles at this triangular point, and there will be 3 particles in the other triangular plane. This is the other triangle, these are the 3 particles. Now if you connect this, you will form a octahedral, isn't it? So there is an octahedral, so these are called as O void, octahedral. So second type of void is octahedral void. Okay? So when 2 layers are placed, we are having 2 types of void, tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. Now we need to put the third layer in this type of void. Where to put the third layer? We have to see. We have to put the third layer in any one of this type of void, either in tetrahedral void or in octahedral void. অসমীয়াত কলে অষ্টফলকীয় ৰন্ধ্ৰ octahedral void আৰু চতুৰ্ফলকীয় ৰন্ধ্ৰ tetrahedral void. So we need to put the third layer. Now third layer, we'll try one by one. If I put the third layer in octahedral void, look at this. If it is put in the octahedral void, this is the octahedral void. What you have seen, when it is put in the octahedral void, it will not place octahedral void. It will neither align with layer A nor align with layer B. Eta logoto khap khwa nai tumi deisa ne? So it is neither aligned with layer A nor aligned with layer B. So this is considered as layer C. ঠিক আছে? So first layer is A, which is not aligned with the second layer, which is B, which is not aligned with the third layer C. Then the fourth layer will align with layer A. So if we stack this layer by putting in this form, then we'll find ABC type arrangement. So if third layer is placed covering octahedral void, অষ্টফলকীয় ৰন্ধ্ৰ, octahedral void gives ABC type arrangement. So it will give ABC type arrangement, and this is called as cubic close packing in 3D. This is called as CCP, cubic close packing in 3 dimension, if the third layer is placed at the octahedral void. Now come to the next point, that is where is the other place where we can put the third layer. The other place is the tetrahedral void. If you put this tetrahedral void, it will cover this particle. If you put it in this tetrahedral void, it will cover this particle. So it is exactly duplicate to the first layer. That means if you put the third layer in this point, it will exactly above this layer, isn't it? So this will be layer A. Alright. Or if you put it in the other tetrahedral, this is another tetrahedral void. If you put it in this tetrahedral void, this will align with the layer B. Have you seen this? So this will be B. So what we have seen, if the third layer is placed in tetrahedral void, যদি তৃতীয় স্তৰটো আমি চতুৰ্ফলকীয় ৰন্ধ্ৰত পুট কৰো, তেতিয়াহলে আমি will find the stacking is AB type pattern, isn't it? So if you put the third layer, if third layer is placed covering tetrahedral void, gives AB pattern, isn't it? AB pattern. If the third layer is placed at tetrahedral void, it will give ABB. Alternate layer will duplicate each other, and this is called as hexagonal close packing. It is HCP in 3D. Because there is a hexagonal close packing in 2D, so this is a hexagonal close packing in 3D. So that is how it has been constructed. I am repeating the whole things. I am just giving you a review. What is this? First, you see that is a simple cubic, that is no problem. This A type pattern. Next is the from hexagonal close packing. There are two layers, A and B. Duta layer ami put korim, A and B. Duta layer put korar pisot we will find two types of void. One is tetrahedral void, other is the octahedral void. ठीक है? Now, based on this, we will try to put the third layer. If the third layer is placed at the octahedral void, then we are having ABC pattern, and that type of close packing in 3 dimension is called as cubic close packing. That is called as cubic close packing, CCP. This is written in short and small letters, CCP. And if the third layer is placed at tetrahedral voids, it is either duplicate with the first layer A or with the second layer B. That means alternate layers duplicate. So that is why it gives AB pattern, and it is called as hexagonal close pack in 3 dimension. Alright, now for both hexagonal and cubic close packing has a coordination number. Coordination number for both of these, coordination number is 12. It is 12 particle touching each. If you take any 6 particle, I am showing it here. তুমি যদি যিকোনো এটা পার্টিকেল লোৱা তাক 6টা পার্টিকেল এনেকে টাচ কৰি আছে, অলৰাইট 6টা পার্টিকেল টাচ কৰি থাকিব, তাৰ পিছত তাৰ ওপৰত 3টা থাকিব, তলত 3টা থাকিব. So there will be 12. Coordination number for both HCP and CCP is 12. And for specifically the cubic close pack structure has FCC units. Mona thakile cubic close pack structure. So CCP is the similar to FCC. Alright, so duita HCP aru CCP karone coordination number is 12 aru CCP has the same arrangement as that of FCC. ঠিক আছে? So এইখিনি হল তোমালোকৰ ক্লোজ পেক স্ট্ৰাকচাৰ. ইমানখিনিতে আমি ক্লোজ পেক স্ট্ৰাকচাৰখিনি গম পালো. So এইখিনি জনাৰ পিছত আমি ইয়াৰ পিছত আমি বেলেগ ধৰণৰ বস্তুলৈ আহিম, that is locating the octahedral and tetrahedral void. হলে কিছু এটা আইডিয়া হল তোমালোকৰ এইখিনিৰ পৰা স্কয়াৰ ক্লোজ পেকিং স্ট্ৰাকচাৰ ওপৰত, হয় নে নহয়?